Nothing there. It's going to be crazy. It's cranking over. Set. There we go. Yeah, let's try it out. Good. Good. Looks good. Oil temp. Hasn't come up yet.
What's the volt reading?
14 plus.
Charge it.
Yeah.
Battery.
Right. Yeah, just hit them off for me, yeah.
3 by 2, so I have to set it to mine.
Okay. Oh well. Yeah, just hit those trim tabs for me for a second. Good. 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 All right, perfect. Oh. Water temperature's going up. Oil. All right. picture of the, see if you get a picture of the numbers off the trailer.
Okay.
Like the, alright. What was the blemish on the back stern quarter here?
It was there when I bought it.
Is that where you bought it?
I'm presuming damaged something.
Yeah, it's trying
right
to.
here. And they sprayed the gel coat on it.
Yeah, yeah. It's, you know,
It was there when I bought it.
no problem. Alright. We're getting a little hot. Yeah, we can shut it down.
I let it run from it charge.
Okay, alright.
You know?
Alright.
Neighbors love this sound. I think I did this with my outboard. I had a 36 Spectrum with their 800s in before.
Right.
And it had some high mufflers on it to make it sound. You know, they got air in them?
Yeah, yeah. That's impressive.
It's great. I'm telling you, it's great.
Yeah.
They called me,
How long you had it for sale for?
well, I put it on last summer for a while, and then I took it off at the end of the year. I put the boat away.
Right.
And that's actually Rick and I talked. I still had his number in my phone, and then he called me up a little while ago.
Oh, okay.
He said, "Hey, I said, I do. I just took it off for the winter, but it's going to go back on." Him and I spoke a few times last year about it.
No, she's a nice boat. I mean, the only thing that I'm concerned about, you know, underneath on those chines on that port side, you got a crack along the chine.
Where? Can we see it back in?
Probably. It's on the outside, you can see it. All the way up to there. First chine, not that one, one inboard. Right up here. All the way up in here.
Oh, right here. Oh,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
saw that.
Yeah. That's the only thing that scares me, Mike, out of the whole boat.
Yeah, I hadn't been under here.
Yeah, no, it's...
How'd the moisture meter turn out?
The moisture, well, it's fine because it's been inside. You know what I mean?
They hold moisture,
It's
though.
yeah, it's elevated to 50. Everything else is rated about below 10. That area and the other side, in which you do have another spider crack in that other chine on the other side, is rated about 15. Which I don't give a shit about.